In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Twitter videos on your iPhone. So first thing we need to do is just head over to the Twitter application, and then from here, select the video that you want to download. Next to the video, you'll see a download icon, click on this, and from here, select copy link. Once you've copied the link of the video that you want to download, head over to an internet browser, and from a search engine, type in download Twitter video and hit enter. Now the website I like to use is this top one, sstwitter.com, click on this, and in the search box, just paste in the URL that we just copied and hit download. Now from the bottom, we'll have all of these download options and just select the resolution that you want to download this video in. I'm just going to select 1280 by 720. Once the video is finished downloading, you can head over to your downloads folder in the bottom left hand side and select downloads. From here, you can see the video that we just downloaded and you can open it up and play it like so. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you download Twitter videos on your iPhone. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.